Wow, guys, it's morning hours, and here it's chaotic. Very, very chaotic, guys. Look at how everybody's really struggling. Even me, I'm struggling. Look at my legs. This is something else. And here, I'm with my friend here.
Yeah, hi.
Say something, bro.
Hi, brother.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
You good?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine, but
Yeah.
say about this condition a little bit.
Hey, this condition,
Yeah.
as I can see,
Yes.
you are struggling to pass here.
Eh, This is
Even-
Kenya. This is Africa.
Yeah.
Okay. What caused this to actually? How can I say, bro?
The causes of this,
This mess. Yeah.
I think it is the block of the
The
sewage.
drainage.
Yeah, the drainage.
Yeah.
Mm.
Let's go this way. So which way to go now?
Let us stand the left one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa. It is what it is. And this house is actually, you can tell how things are really tough. Actually, this causes what we call a job opportunity. You see? Wow. This guy is negotiating, but this guy is not
Only 10.
ready. Wow. Busy ya kuchukua, bro. Deno. Let's go. Wow, those are the condition of Africa. And this side is total chaos, total mess. Wow.